Hello बच्चों, today I will explain exercise 3.4 in the chapter linear equation in two variables, and the method under the algebraic solution to be discussed today is elimination method. Elimination method. Now let us take an example for the sake of understanding this method. Taking two equations. Just I am taking an example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. This is your equation 1. And 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. This is equation 2. In the previous method, there you have to substitute value of one variable from one equation to other equation. Now in this method, there something different is to be done. The process to be done in the manner that you will perform addition or subtraction process in these two given equations, such that one of the variable will cancelled automatic. This you will have to observe whether on subtraction it will happen or whether on addition it will happen. And before going through the addition and subtraction, it is your duty to check whether the coefficient of the term to be cancelled are equal or not. Like I want to explain, if you subtract 2x from 2x, then you will get 0, or column wise you can write 4x and 4x, this will become 0, means cancelled. I want to say, if the coefficient of the variable are equal, in these two examples I am taking 2x and 2x, means these two coefficient of both the expressions are same, and in this also. But in the given example, whether in terms of x or y, whatever you observe, no coefficients of x or y are equal, then you will have to choose one coefficient, rather x or y. Suppose I am taking x, then you will have to equate the coefficient. It is 4x, then you can also make it 4x by multiplying the equation 1 by certain number and by other number also, whatever. Then we will multiply equation 1 by 2, equating the coefficient of x. I should take the sign negative because I am taking the example, not a question, randomly, then just for the sake of proper solution. Now you will insert the line, multiply equation 1 by 2 and subtract from equation 2, means this equation will be multiplied by 2 and subtracted from equation 2. Then you will write equation 2 in the upper side, 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. By multiplying this, he means 2 to the 4x minus 2 to the 6y is equal to 8 to the 16. Subtraction means the sign of the lower expression will be changed. This will become negative, positive and negative. Now what you will get? This will be cancelled. Cancelled in the manner equal quantity is opposite sign. Suppose if you wanted to subtract y, then on addition this will be cancelled. Whether addition will be done or subtraction, this will depend on the situation. Now solve this. What is happening? 6 plus 6, 12y is equal to, both sign are positive, it will be added. Now it is positive, it is negative. What is left? Minus 9. Y is equal to minus 9 upon 12. If it is cancelable, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. Y is coming minus 3 upon 4. One variable, value of one variable you have got by this process. Now this value of y can be used in any of the equation, either in 1 or 2. to obtain the value of next variable, that is x. Then you will insert a line putting value of y in equation 1. Let us put in equation 1. So what was the equation 1? That is 2x minus 3, and put the value of y. Value of y is coming negative, then you will substitute this value within bracket, minus 3 upon 4, that is equal to 7. No, it was 8. Now simplify. 2x plus 9 upon 4 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8 minus 9 upon 4. 2x is equal to, take LCM, 8 4 ja 32 minus 9. 2x is equal to, it is left 23 upon 4. X is equal to 23 upon 2 4 ja 8. 2 will come into denominator and this will be the value of x. I am taking because randomly this question, so the values are coming fractional. In your proper solution in the given questions of the exercise, the values will come proper integer. May also come fractional values, but it may come normal values like 2 3 5 7, whatever the question accordingly. This is the whole process of elimination method. I am recalling again you. Elimination means you will equate the coefficient of any of the variable, whether x or y. Choose yourself which you want to eliminate. If you want to eliminate x and coefficient of x are equal, doesn't matter, directly subtract or add according to the situation. If signs are looking similar, then on subtraction quantity will be cancelled. If signs are different, then on addition they will be cancelled. Like sign of the quantity x, both were positive, then I have done the process of subtraction. In case of if you are choosing, then you can solve this question by taking y as your first variable to be cancelled. I have taken here x, then sign of the quantities are different, means opposite, then these will be cancelled on addition. This you will looking on the sign, then you will decide whether subtraction or addition would be done. In the first process, first you will equate the coefficient, if not they are equal, then addition or subtraction process will take place. One variable will be cancelled and value of other will be, you will be finding, and by putting that value into another equation 1 or 2, again you will obtain the another value of the variable. Means I have got y here, then x you will get. Suppose in second variable cancellation, if you are getting x here, you will get y. This is the whole process. And as in the previous exercise, there would be some language questions, then you will have to form the equation and then solve it by the elimination method. There is a specificness of the method you will have to understand. In the question paper, if it is given solve the given equation by elimination method, it means you will apply this method only, and you apply any other method, marks will not be given. And whatever the condition given in the question is specified, that you have to follow. That's why you pay attention and learn each solution practice and the methods here. One method was the by substitution method, it is the elimination method. Next exercise would be covering other method by cross multiplication, that is also a different method. Means method you have to learn, and you must be able to solve a question by each method. This is your responsibility to solve this properly. Now your homework would be exercise 3.4. Your homework is exercise 3.4. Thank you.